It's been backwards the whole time. So we're having a little bit of an issue with contamination.
That looks so clean.
Am I gonna work on it? Yeah. Is it gonna look really good? Yeah. I haven't seen one of these in person ever. So to have one here, and then I get to work on it, and I get to like make love to this thing for the next couple days, so that's gonna be dope.
All right, my name is Steve Hamilton from the Hamilton Collection. I am here with my brand new 765LT at Chicago Auto Pros. So this car is super special to me because I absolutely love McLarens. A little background, I've had two McLaren 720Ss. I have a P1 and I have a Senna. I just traded in my 720 for this. It's a lot like the 720. It's a little bit quicker, and I fully spec this thing. So we put a bunch of carbon on it. We picked this special color, it's the Papaya Spark. It has an awesome metallic finish. And we want to make sure that we protect that awesome metallic finish because we put these cars to the test. We drive them in the winter. We drive them all the time. We put lots of miles, drive them hard. This thing will see more outside than garage possibly. Maybe not. Regardless, Chicago Auto Pros is our absolute top choice for doing all of our PPF. We've had a bunch of stuff, PPF'd, vinyl wrapped. These guys always do a fantastic job. And so we're gonna have the full car PPF, we're gonna have the glass PPF, and then we're gonna have a halo coating done on it. The coolest thing about Chicago Auto Pros is that these guys do it freaking fast, and they do an amazing job. So I am really excited to see this in just a few days. We know that they'll absolutely crush it. I've barely even been able to drive this thing. I drove it from the dealership to here because I know that they will do a good job protecting this there on out, so.
Before we can lay any film, we need to make sure this baby is clean. So the guys are pressure washing the car. We're gonna use a clay bar, and then we're gonna do a very light polish to make sure that we get the absolute best results. Anything in between the film and the paint is going to stick out like a sore thumb. Paint protection film is used to protect the original OEM paint from debris and rock impacts while driving on the road. We want to protect the vehicle without taking anything away from the aesthetics. We're protecting this car in a clear gloss film. We're going to be wrapping the edges and removing parts of the vehicle so we get nice, clean edges. Our goal here is to lay the film in a manner that you won't even know it's there without getting really up close and personal.
Update. All right, so it is day 2. You know, we got to start off with the coffee. We got to get going. We got to get our minds going correctly so we can work on this beast of a car. Yesterday we did a lot. We did the 2 doors, both quarters, both fenders, the hood, and a couple of the roof pieces and a couple of the carbon pieces. We still have a lot to do. There's a lot of black pieces. There's a lot of extra carbon. The main reason why it's challenging is just because there's so many little intricate small pieces. When you see the McLaren, you see just the orange, right? But look past the orange and just look at all the black and the carbon, and there's just all these small little pieces that are gonna be required to either push up next to each other or that are hidden behind other pieces. They're not as accessible as like the orange pieces. So there's just gonna be a lot of like little custom stuff and a lot of little pulling and stretching and fitting your hand in these tight little spots. There's a lot that we still have to do. That rear diffuser, once we get into that, that's gonna be like 6 hours. We're gonna get our coffee, we're gonna get right, and then we're gonna get right into it. But it's gonna be a lot of fun. But stressful, but a lot of fun. It's hot, I can't take this right now.
Hey guys, it's the Hamilton Collection, and we are here at Chicago Auto Pros.
Justin texted me and asked if we wanted to try our hand laying some PPF on our 765LT Spider. I've never done this in my life, so I'm excited to give it a shot. We'll see how it goes. How do you feel, Bailey? Have you laid vinyl?
I have laid vinyl before. I'm not helping you guys. You guys are doing it yourselves, but I don't know how well you guys are gonna be able to do this.
It's gonna be rough, but we're gonna give it a shot.
Stay tuned. We'll see how we do.
Alrighty.
You like blue or yellow?
I'll take blue.
I'm more of a blue.
All right, so we're gonna be working on this piece, right?
Yep.
We're gonna do the spoiler. So we have soap and water in this?
Yep.
You're gonna spray the whole piece?
Yep.
Just drench this
Does it
whole...
matter or just drench it?
Try to like flush it all out this way.
Dude, you're doing a really good job.
Yeah.
You should work here.
How's that? All right,
I'm gonna grab the film from over here.
That's amazing. Has anyone ever sprayed someone in the face with this?
Yes, plenty of time. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. Let me see this. So all we have to do is
straight down.
get rid of the air and the moisture at the same time.
Okay.
Cool?
Sounds good. How much pressure do I want to apply? Can I damage it by applying too much pressure?
Yes.
Okay.
So let me see you do one pass first.
Do I have to hold this or no?
Yeah, hold it.
Okay.
Not enough pressure, do more pressure.
Okay.
Too much.
Really?
A little bit less, yeah.
No way.
Yeah, that's good right there.
No
Yeah,
way.
yeah.
Am I starting too tall, like high? Or
No,
can I go?
you're perfect.
All right, bet.
Here's how I know that you're going perfect. Look at how much is hanging here. Look
You
how
don't have to see
consistent
his
it
ego,
is.
bro.
I'm very consistent.
Look at this.
Yep. Consistency is key, Natalia. Google
That's why I
that.
don't go to the gym, bro.
Google that.
Dang. You gotta hit the gym, bro.
Consistency.
What are you doing? Hold it this way though.
Oh my God, my bad.
Excuse me?
It's been backwards the whole time.
All right, like that.
Yeah?
I feel like you're doing all of it, and I'm just
I'm just
pretending.
guiding you. That's all I'm doing. Throw a little bit more of that soap and water on top.
Okay. So can you scratch it if there's not enough moisture on top?
Yes. Yeah, definitely.
That's just what I did. So my understanding, PPF can like, there are some PPFs that can heal, right? Like if
yeah,
there
so
are.
this is actually self-healing.
Is it really?
Yeah, so
We should
we
test
could
it out.
we could even do a small test right now. Let me get a wire brush and I'll be back.
Stop. This is really satisfying. I know I'm not doing anything, but like I feel like I am. I feel like the salt guy. I just want to like get some PPF and like, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Hold up.
Yeah.
Oh no.
So we're just gonna rub a wire brush on this, right?
Oh my gosh, we get it in the light right here, Bailey. Oh my God, that's effed.
All the film has memory and it'll always want to go back to its original shape. So once we introduce heat, it's gonna happen pretty quickly, right? So you gotta really catch
Bailey,
it.
get it.
I don't know.
Get it, Bailey, get it.
So we're gonna have to catch it really quickly.
Oh my gosh, that is crazy. Dude, they're wizards. Chicago Auto Pros practices black magic.
But you could just park it outside and it'll start to heal itself.
That's
Or you just
super
grab
cool.
a heat gun or you grab a blow dryer or some, not boiling, but hot water. Throw some hot water in there and it'll heal
No
itself.
way. Come look at this. She goes, I think I win. That's a quarter size. What is this?
Stop touching it.
Wait,
I'll
wait,
stop
wait.
going,
Dude,
yo.
there's multiple.
If that's winning, then I want to know what losing is.
There we go,
They're
Elon.
all-
Help me out here, brother.
Oh, there we go. Look at these lines.
I don't know what you're talking about.
There's two giant ones,
My
right?
side actually started from right here.
That's crazy.
Little thing
Yeah,
was
this
mine.
is
part.
In fairness, laying PPF was much more difficult than I
Laying
had
pipe.
thought. You're gonna restart this entire piece.
Yeah. Oh
Yes.
yeah, 100%.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I
I
am
might leave
shooketh.
the center, but that's about it.
you don't have to.
No, he's like, no,
Don't worry
do it.
about that. don't do that. Anyways, thank you, Chicago Auto Pros, for having us by. This was a super cool little experiment, and seeing it heal itself is amazing. I'm super pleased with how the car's turning out so far. I'm excited to see it when it's finished.
So that was a lot of fun hanging out with the Hamilton collection. I got to show them a little bit of like how PPF works. You know, they got to apply it and they really, they had a lot of fun. We couldn't save that piece because I had to play with it a little bit too much. We printed out a new piece and now me and Juan are gonna hop right on it, finish it, make it look perfect. But yeah, those guys, they took up a lot of time, low key. But it's fun. I like having them around here. So we're having a little bit of an issue with contamination. The frunk has like these little fibers in the trunk. The fibers are kind of flying around all over the place and they're landing on the paint. So we're having these small little tiny hairs all over the place. We're gonna pull it out, take it to the wash. We're gonna give it a nice rinse and wash it and try to get rid of most of that contamination. Little hiccup, slows us down a little bit, but we'll get right on it. We'll keep moving. Not a big deal, just a little big deal. It's a big deal. We're so close to finishing this car. We're about to do the windshield with Stek DYNOflex. That's a PPF for your windshield that'll help it protect it from like rock chips. And this should be perfect for this car because this car's gonna be ripping through the city. It's gonna be ripping on the highways. So it's gonna protect that windshield from ever getting cracked. Colin just finished up the windshield. It looks freaking sweet. It looks really cool. We're gonna get into the final stages of this vehicle. We're gonna be doing all like the small trimming. We're gonna start putting back together the little pieces that we took off. We're gonna swap the wheels out, put those aftermarket wheels on, and then I'm gonna get it over to the detail guys so they can ceramic coat it, make it super shiny, and then it can get delivered. It can go home.
Man, that looks so clean. That's crazy. The badges look perfect on the side. I forgot Steve wanted to keep those silver. That's funny.
Yeah, I think if we would have done them in black, it would have just kind of like blended in.
You wouldn't really be able
all
to
you'd
see
see
it.
is just like the LT on it.
It just looks like paint. You can't even tell that there's any PPF.
Yeah, like it took me a couple times. Like I was going around and trying to find the edges, and I was like, "Damn, like is this panel done or not?" And then all the
clean.
glass, the side windows here, these are PPF,
Okay.
and then the front windshield are done too.
Is there anything that's not PPF?
The side windows, and the back window,
Okay.
just because like those aren't likely to get.
You won't
chipped or
even
anything.
need to, yeah.
Yeah, even door jams too.
So clean. Yeah, you got all the way in there, and then you got the satin on the door jams.
This is all done too.
Can't even tell there's PPF on it.
Yeah, just because like those things get nicked up so bad. Just
Oh
getting
my
in and out
gosh,
of
yeah,
it.
you're wearing boots or something and you hop in. And see, look, so many people sit in the cars too. Like you had mentioned. There's,
Yeah.
I mean, throughout this car's life, there'll probably be hundreds, if not thousands of people at shows that he'll let hop in
and out of it.
Yeah, so looks so good. The black badge and back is
That looks good. Tie it
much,
together.
much cleaner. Oh my gosh, dude. Looks amazing. And you did all, like they hand cut every one of
All
these,
the
right?
little circles, yeah.
It's crazy. These wheels look great too.
Oh yeah, they do.
Can't wait to drive it. I'm so excited. I haven't driven this car yet.
You haven't?
No. Awesome, man. Well, I appreciate it so much. Thank you
problem, man.
for everything.
Anytime,
That's
anytime.
great. Chicago Auto Pros is the best, guys. This car looks, it's insane. I couldn't ask for anything more. So if you have any PPF needs, here we go.